Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to explain how to request long distance trips on your Uber ride. Now, this is pretty much how you can do it. It depends on the driver, TLDR. The app will show if a driver is available for a long trip, right? So for example, let's just choose a long distance trip, right? Let's say we go from a market, if it's even possible, to London, right? Let's do that. There we go. Enter pickup location. There you go. And as you can see, that is a very long, long trip. Now, here you're gonna choose Uber X, Uber XL Comfort, and whatever option, priority even. And you're gonna see how much it's gonna cost. So it's pretty expensive to do this. Now, all you need to do is choose whatever option of ride you want, and then it's just going to show the driver that it's available for long distances. It's pretty straightforward like that, and you can even just message the driver and tell them like this is going to be long, so hopefully you're really willing for it, because sometimes they do just cancel in the middle of like you waiting. But yeah, pretty much that's how you do it. And yeah, that's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.